do is go to a browser, and I'm going to paste a URL that the guest would have received as he was about to arrive at the property. And so this is the link that would give him to his arrival instructions, and you can see that this here is giving him his property name and address, the arrival time, that was the time that he received his code, the longitude and latitude, car spaces, all the information that he needs about where it is, and there's the door code and the map of where the property is there. And of course the guest could say, well, okay, he could get his directions if he was doing that from leaving home. Okay, but we won't go there. That's the basis of the booking manager. I'm going to take you through and show you all the other functionality that's there, and that's the information that you can actually see through the booking manager. The guest information, address, phone numbers, everything that's going to happen there. This is the first booking for this particular person. The guest, that's their current booking, what they're doing. They could go in there and edit their details, their information at any stage, put information about themselves and change their login and password to the booking manager. They can have a look at their booking in detail. The arrival, the door codes are all there. The payments, information, and any extras that are involved in the booking. Here are their payments that they've made. They can see that it's fully paid. Then they can see an overview of the property that they're about to stay in. So all the information about the property is there at their disposal on their mobile. And if they wanted to, they could book again from the mobile site. They're now at the property. They would get a special link for this, and this is the property compendium. So all our compendiums are now driven out of Genkan and can be part of the mobile website. So there's the information. Normally your first page of a compendium, the house rules, and then the compendium itself. All the information that you require for this particular property, all driven out of Genkan. A little bit about the destination, and then we've got some user manuals that are here. So there's the Bose soundbar, so there's a video link, a YouTube on how to use the Bose, also the Nespresso machine, and so you can have all those sorts of things here as part of the compendium. Once again, there were the arrival instructions that we looked at, and of course there is the weather at their destination, and a little bit of information about the business. So that's what we call the booking manager, and that's how we drive and look after the bookings as they arrive into Thredbo or at any of the Genkan sites. Right, let's go back there. I did the wrong thing. But there's all this extra functionality here on the mobile site, so let's have a look at that. Right, so that's the booking manager, but we can now have a look at the normal website part of the Genkan mobile site. So you can see all of the properties, the current rate per night. So this is the current two nights rate, or the minimum night rate at that time of the year. So you can see all the properties. The guests, if they wanted to book, could go ahead and do so from that particular link. They can check availability, and they can see that it's booked out on certain dates, and then they would say, okay, number of adults, That'll do there. Check availability and get a price. And of course, they can book and pay from that particular screen. Something there. Oh, okay, it's got a maximum of 2 adults. That's good. And there's the price. They can put their information in and book and pay. Select their betting configurations, any extras that they may want to use. Also here on the mobile app is properties that are for sale. Quick inquiry, reviews, and so any surveys and that are all there. All guest reviews that have been made. These ones have been made in the last couple of days. And they come through from the Genkan survey module. Restaurants, all driven out of Genkan. Activities, a little bit about the business, any specials that are going at the time. No, there's no current specials. So that hopefully gives you a little bit of an understanding of what's available. As I say, there's a quick inquiry here where you can fire off an email of the dates that you want, and it will send properties that are available for those particular dates. And back to the home page of the mobile site. So there it is, the Genkan mobile site and the Genkan mobile site and the booking manager, and that's all the functionality there that's available through this particular site. Okay, thank you.